Hi, I'm Richard Eimers, broker with Beach Road Realty. Are you thinking about selling your home? Let's break down the essential steps to a successful sale in just a few minutes. First things first is preparation. It's key. Start by getting a pre-sale home inspection. Then take care of the deep cleaning of your property and decluttering every room. Choosing the right real estate agent. Not all real estate agents are created equal. Here's how to find your perfect match. Research local market experts. Do a Google search by agent name. Interview multiple agents. And select someone who truly understands your local real estate landscape. Home improvements. Smart home improvements can boost your home's value. Focus on critical repairs. Make effective cosmetic updates, and don't overspend on major renovations. Pricing and marketing. Work with your agent to set a competitive price. Use professional photography, create virtual tours, and highlight your home's unique features. As closing thoughts, selling your home doesn't have to be complicated. Stay transparent, be patient, and keep communication clear. With the right preparation and strategy, you'll be handing over your keys to the new owners in no time.